In 2016, with the rising oil prices and with our old oil technology burners, we needed to do something about it. So we got a company called Bernini who investigated looking at our type of oils that we're using in the country, and they recommended an oil burning system. With the installation of that oil burning system, we saved 15% on cost. And down the line, a year later, because the oil prices kept on rising, so we needed to find an alternative to oil. Towards the end of 2018, they were ready with a solid fuel system, which now we have installed. Since the installation of this new fuel system of a solid fuel in the form of coal, we have a savings of a third of what we used to spend in terms of the oil. In terms of yields, there's a big improvement in the yields. We moved from 86 to 98%. And that is as a result of the way the fuel burns in the packs of the bricks. Thus, you don't only burn between, but through the whole pack of bricks. So you get a thorough burn from bottom to top. Yeah, so I would recommend this. In terms of support, we've got an excellent support from the supplier. It's readily available in terms of software over the phone, and then they can assist you. So I would recommend Bernini for any company that wants to move from one system of fuels to another system.
I'm the sales director at Algoa Brick, and I just want to share with you my experiences with the new Bernini coal burning system that's been installed. From a sales point of view, the product quality has vastly improved. We have a much more consistent burn, and the product on site has far less underburns than what we used to experience. Our problem was that the heat transfer to the bottom of the kiln was never very good, and we ended up with a lot of underburns in the bottom two layers, resulting in a high waste. So from sales side, I can really recommend an improved product quality and better yields.